Want to reduce human error and help make your BAS workflow faster? Xero's got you covered. Publish your activity statements and import them directly into Xero Tax. Here's how. Start with the activity statement report. Review the summary and transactions of your BAS. Need to double check something? Sort and filter your transactions to review. Once everything looks good, click Finalise. You can even draft a bill for your BAS while you're here. Now keep all of your lodgements in one place by heading to Xero Tax. With Auto BAS, your draft is already prepared with ATO pre-filled data. Select the draft, then import from Xero. Select your finalised BAS and import. Just like that, you're ready to send out for signing. Less data entry and less chance of mistakes. Streamline BAS time and supercharge your business with Xtax. For more Xero tips and tricks, visit the Xtax Hub.